Hi, this is Chris with CAD Dimensions here with another tech tip. You may notice your SOLIDWORKS installation running slowly at times, particularly when you're moving a model around like this. Now this can happen suddenly after an upgrade or a change to your system, or gradually over time as your system ages. I'm going to cover a couple of settings that you can look into to help improve your SOLIDWORKS performance and potentially solve this issue for you. The first things to check, particularly if this issue began after an upgrade, would be to check the enhanced graphics performance. Now to do that, we can go up here to the options wheel, and under the system options tab, we are going to go down to performance, and on your screen you may need to scroll down to see this enhanced graphics performance. We want to go ahead and uncheck that, click OK, and restart SOLIDWORKS. Now that SOLIDWORKS has restarted, you can go ahead and reopen your file and test to see if the behavior has changed at all. This setting oftentimes can be turned on as part of an upgrade automatically, so this is a good place to start if your SOLIDWORKS is performing worse than it used to. The next setting you may want to check is called the Use Software OpenGL. Now to toggle this setting, you have to make sure that you have no documents open. Go up to your options. Again, we're going to go to the System Options tab and Performance. And this time we want to enable Used Software OpenGL and click OK. This setting is often used for compatibility with older components or unsupported graphics cards. So if you are running a laptop or something with an integrated graphics card, this setting may be useful for you. So go ahead and open your file and test the performance and make sure everything looks good. If either of those settings were not helpful or did not make a difference for you, then I would recommend leaving them how they were when you found them, so be sure to take a note of that. Another setting you should check is Real View Graphics. To do that, go up to here to View Settings, and you can see this option for Real View Graphics. And as you can see, I have it off, but when I turn it on, you can see that the rendering is much more involved for the model, and this can have a negative impact on your performance. So go ahead and make sure that that is off as well. Another setting you can use if you're working with assemblies and you're getting slow performance is to go up to Tools and to go down to Large Assembly Settings. When you click that, you can see it really strips down what is being rendered here, and this oftentimes will have a significant impact on your performance as well. So this may be useful, as it says, for larger assemblies with lots of models and geometry. A final few settings that you can look into to improve your SOLIDWORKS performance is to come up here to Options, and over in Document Properties, you can come down to Image Quality and lower both of these sliders. As you can see by this image, it illustrates how it's rendering things, and so it's creating fewer surfaces, and those fewer surfaces will make it easier for your machine to model. One final place to look for potential graphical issues or slowdowns would be at your card itself as well as its drivers. Having a driver which is out of date and too old is just as likely to be a problem as having a driver that is newer than SOLIDWORKS has verified. And so on SOLIDWORKS website, they have a list of supported graphics cards and supported drivers for those graphics cards. I have the link posted here. As you can see, if you follow the link, it brings you to this page that you can enter in your version of SOLIDWORKS, you can enter in your system-specific information, but what's most important is the version of SOLIDWORKS and the model of graphics card. If it is not on this list, then it is technically unsupported, and there will not be a recommended driver. But otherwise, you can find that and then follow the links here, and they can help you download and install the recommended driver for your card. If you're running newer hardware, but an older version of SOLIDWORKS, take particular note of these patches here and be sure to download and install the one that is applicable to your situation. We find improved stability and that this sometimes can solve some difficult issues for people. If you are still encountering issues with SOLIDWORKS not running well, or anything at all, feel free to reach out to us with a support ticket at CAD Dimensions. We'll be happy to answer any questions and help you out with any problem you run into. Once again, this was Chris, and this was a Tech Tip, and I hope you learned something new. Have a great day.